Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers. Welcome to Omafentu TV. I am joined by Mr. Lavas Fede Prayaka. Leadership, we are playing Czech Republic. Nekbata just to tola score prediction.
Leadership, I have two. If Hugo Bros change his tactics or the benefit the team to benefit that game, then we might win that game 3-0.
3-0.
That's if he doesn't defend the game.
Yeah.
If he attacks and brings in your offensive players, your Diamond, your Moremi, your Police, your Mufukeng, believe you me, we are gonna win that game 3-0. But if he defends the game, we are in trouble.
But now my question, my leader, is that looking at now Hugo Bros, because now they are under pressure.
Yes.
They lost against Mexico. You're now left to two games.
Yeah.
Do you think he's going to go out and attack or he's going to be like, are a bit defensive against Czech, Rezamo Babamba the counter? What do you think will happen?
You know what's difficult, what's also challenging is that Czech also lost. So Czech won't want to sit back. They will want to attack. So basically, this game is going to be a pound-to-pound. We are going to go pound-to-pound with each other. So now it's going to expose also the coaches or their tactics. Are they smart enough to read the game? Because we know Czech Republic is very good at 3-4-3. That's their everyday to go formation. But they're also good when they defend. They drop their wing backs. Then it becomes a 5-4-1. So they're very good at playing two formations in one game. So that is where now it has to come back to Hugo Bros and say now he needs to pay attention. He needs to play a 4-2-3-1, and also when he defends, he needs to play a 4-1-4-1. He needs to become very smart with his tactics, because now what happens is that before the ball even gets to our box, let us make sure it ends in the middle. That is where now we have to bring in that 4-1-4-1. So he needs to be very smart with this.
But I want to ask you something, Let's say against Mexico, we didn't make those mistakes. Elias, Chole, getting red card. Do you think maybe we could have won against Mexico with the lineup?
No. It could have been a draw. That game was going to be a straight draw. If the guys didn't make the mistakes they did. And also, the only time if you could have won the game was if there was a change, an early change. Because the problem was when Yaya got a yellow card. Hugo Bros decided to bring in Mbata as a CDM, a central defensive midfield. So he wanted to defend the game. He wanted to defend the game because if he had wanted to win, instead of bringing him Mbata, he was going to bring in a Police, a Marem, or a Tapelo Maseko.
So you think the problem will be if we are defensive?
Yes.
That's when we won't win.
If we are defensive, we're not winning the game.
But you would say, Jorge, in order for us, because now it's do or die now, so we must go all out and attack and win.
Yes. Now we can't play a low block, we can't play a mid block. We have to go pound to pound. If we press on those guys, make sure that we play high press, especially from our middle field to our offensive players. Then we are winning this game.
But also, my leader, Arekwalara, would you say our quality, in terms of quality, can we compete with Czech Republic, or Bona they are better than us in terms of quality?
No, we have the quality leadership. We have the quality. We cannot take it away from the boys that they are very great. And one thing also that we need to keep in mind, I love Mbogazi's strength when he kicks the ball. So you know, whenever you are in trouble as a coach, you now need to start thinking about route one. So route one, you make sure the ball moves from Mbogazi to an Evidence Mahopa straight into the box. So we do have the quality because Czech Republic, they're very good at the set pieces. 47% of their goals come from set pieces.
Because they are tall as well.
Because they are tall.
Also check.
Exactly. So now we need to be smart. If we neutralize those people and make sure that there and there, we also play route one. Believe you me, leadership, the quality is there. We are winning this game.
Arekwala, scoreline?
Scoreline, defensive, 2-1. We are losing 2-1. If we attack and go pound to pound, we are winning 3-0.
Thank you, my leader.
Thank you, leadership.
Sharp. Hola.